Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to the max session. I am here, your Jasdeep ma'am from the Little Star School. Now, coming to the question number 4 of exercise 7.5, it is written, fill the boxes. See, few boxes are there. We have to fill them. But this kind of fill-ups we have done, right? Let's solve it. A. Box minus 5 upon 8 is equals to 1 upon 4. But at that time, it was a like fraction. Denominators were same, but now the denominators are not same. So for that, for solving this fraction, we have to convert this unlike fraction to the like fraction. So we have to take out the LCM, okay? So 8 and 4. So 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are, and then again 2 1s are. Okay, we'll multiply. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So we got the LCM 8. Okay, so we'll take the first fraction, so 5 upon 8. As you can see that in denominator we need 8, but in this fraction already 8 is there. So by which number I will multiply 8, so I'll get 8 only. You know tables, right? 8 ones are. In numerator also I will multiply by 1. So 5 and 8 ones are 8. Then it comes to 1 upon 4. So by which number I will multiply 4, so I will get 8. And multiply by 2. Numerator also 2. 1 2s are 2 and 4 2s are 8. So as you can see that denominators are same. Do you remember I have told that you have to use the technique of when subtraction is there, at that time we have to add. But it is only applicable when the first fraction is not given. Right? For example, you are having some chocolates, from that you have given 2 to your brother, and now you are having 5 chocolates. Okay, so before you were having 2 also, right? And now you are having 5. So what we will do? We will add. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So your answer is 7. You are having 7 and you have given 2 to your brother. That's why you are having now 5. Okay. When first digit is not there, when one first fraction is not there, then we have to apply this method that we will do the addition of the answer and the second digit. Then we will get the first digit. Okay. In this also we will do the same. Here it is written 5 upon 8 and here it is written 2 upon 8. So we will add. Denominators are same, so we will write 8. And then 5 plus 2 is 7. So 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay. So we will write here the answer 7 upon 8. Like that way only we will do B. Dash minus 1 upon 5 is equals to 1 upon 2. First fraction is not there and two fractions are which two fractions are given? It is unlike fraction. So we have to convert first into like fraction. So we'll take out the LCM 5 and 2. So 2 into table 5 is not coming. We will carry down like that way only. So 2 ones are 2, 5 ones are 5. 2 5s are 10. So we got the LCM 10. Okay. So first fraction is 1 upon 5. So by which number I will multiply 5? So I will get 10. I will multiply by 2. In numerator also 2. 1 2s are 2 and 5 2s are 10. 1 upon 2. By which number I will multiply 2? So I will get 10. I will multiply by 5. So in numerator also I will multiply by 5. 1 5s are 5 and 2 5s are 10. Okay. So we got 2 upon 10 and 5 upon 10. As you can see that subtraction is there and first digit is not given. So what we will do? Here we will do the addition of the answer and the second digit. So it is written 5 and 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7 and in denominator we can see the 10 is there. Okay, we will write here 10. So you can say 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay. Now we will do C. C is quite different but it is also easy. One upon 2 minus second digit is not given means second fraction is not given and the answer is given 1 upon 6. But in this also you can see that denominators are different, means it is unlike fraction. First we have to convert into the like fraction. So we'll convert into the like fraction. For that we have to do the LCM. 2 and 6. So in 2 table both are coming. So 2 1s are, 2 3s are, and then 3 1s are. 2 3s are 6. So LCM we got 6. So 1 upon 2 into 3. So I'll get 6 in the denominator. So in numerator also I'll multiply by 3. 1 3s are 3 and 2 3s are 6. 1 upon 6. Already 6 is there in the denominator and here we have find out that in LCM also 6 is there. Means in denominator we need 6. So by which number I will multiply 6? So I will get 6 only by 1, right? So in numerator also I will multiply by 1. So 1 upon 6 is our answer. So okay, what we got? That 3 minus 6. See, I'll write here. You get 3 minus 3 upon 6. 3 upon 6 minus dash is equals to 1 upon 6. If in denominator 6 is there, so I'll write 6. So if 3 is there, 3 sticks are there, and in conclusion I am getting 1. In conclusion I am getting 1 stick. So how many sticks are subtracted? 2 sticks are subtracted, right? You remember the stick one example? So here it will come 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1 and in denominator 6 is there. Okay. So we will write the answer here. Here it will come 7 upon 10. Here it will come 2 upon 6. Okay.